Comment 981 reminds you that you do not have to do scale factors in two stages. If you've got similar triangles and you see a 2 becoming a 4, and you have to wonder what it becomes for x, that's simple. There's a word for that. It's doubling. Or if it becomes a 6, there's a word for that. It's tripling. And therefore the x would, if that was a 4, then that will become a 12, because if that's tripling, that's tripling. You do not have to have words for scale factors. And in fact, you can have complicated ones. You just have to do it in two stages. That's what comment 981 says. So if a 2 became a 5, and you therefore had to wonder what would happen to an x, to a 3, in order to become x, just do it in two stages. Go via the number 1. How does a 2 become a 1? Divide by 2. How does a 1 become a 5? Times by 5. If that's what happens to the 2, it's also what will happen to the 3. So that's what comment 981 says. It says that you do not have to have words or simple scale factors. You can have two-stage scale factors, once with a division and then with a multiplication. You can reverse the process as well if you want. How does a 5 become a 2? Divide by 5 times by 2. You don't have to go by the number 1. If a 3 had to become a 7, I could go via the number 21. So times by 7 and divide by 3. All I'm saying is that you can go in two stages.